John Green isn't just a best-selling author, he's a titan of digital storytelling and education. With #1 New York Times bestsellers like The Fault in Our Stars, his impact is undeniable. His YouTube journey began in 2007, co-running the Vlogbrothers channel with his brother, Hank Green. Together, they've sparked engaging conversations on topics ranging from intellectual debates to inspiring charitable causes. Did you know their channel has amassed over 800 million views, driving substantial audience engagement? John's educational initiative, Crash Course, revolutionized learning with free courses in various subjects since 2011. His innovative approach makes complex topics approachable for both students and educators alike. John openly battles OCD, using his platform to shine a light on mental health awareness and destigmatization. In his novels, challenging themes like love, identity, and loss resonate profoundly with young adults everywhere. Whether through literature or online media, John Green's influence continues to inspire and educate audiences globally.